Hey guys, Steve here. In today's video, what I want to do is I want to show you a way that you can start saving up to 50% on your monthly bills. And I'm talking about your personal finances, like your home, your household bills, like your phone bill, your car insurance, your grocery bills, even on vacations and things like that. I want to show you how you can have a discount on all of those things we use every day. But not only that, save money, keep more money in your pocket, but then make money too, which is like a win-win, right? It's just recent opportunity that I came across. I had a peer who introduced me to this. Well, it starts out by a need, right? So gas prices are high. I had to pay $80 to fill up my tank, which is crazy. But more importantly, I went to buy some beer and it was like $16 for a 12-pack. Now, this wasn't IPA or nothing like that. This is just some regular beer, right? And I was just like, that's it, I had it. Either I'm going to stop drinking beer or I'm going to have to get some cheaper stuff, right? Coors Light or some freaking Milwaukee Best or something like that. Now, I'm just joking. But seriously, it's things like that that make us start looking for different opportunities, different resources of how we can lower our monthly bills so we can buy more of what we like, right? Keep more money in our pocket, away from the bill collectors, away from the people scavenging our money and spending it more on us or more on assets that we can make money with, right? We can spend more on our assets. But that allowed me to stumble across this opportunity in this platform that allows you to save money on everyday things, right? And I'll just say this example. You have Costco and you have Sam's Club. Those are membership wholesale clubs where you can go buy groceries from, right, at wholesale prices, right? Why are we paying retail when there's opportunities for us to buy wholesale, right? Which is very more comfortable to our pockets, right? Well, that's what this site is that I'm going to show you. Not only is it a way that you can save 50%, up to 50% and maybe more on everyday items that you may already be buying or spending on your bills and everything like that, but also a way that you can make money and recurring commissions. So it's a win-win. But without further ado, I want to show you the Savings Highway Global platform, which will allow you to save and earn, right? So let's jump here. This is the Saving Highway Global. Welcome to Saving Highway Global. It's a platform that is available in 141 countries. Like I just said, stop paying retail and start saving, right? What keeps money in the financially abundant people's pockets? And that's finding savings platforms, finding membership sites, finding deals, right? That's how you stretch that dollar. So here's just a couple of examples. You have Alicia Alexander. She saved $1,000 on her car insurance. You have Kevin Clark, who saved $400 on a new laptop. Just think about this. Your laptop is also used for your business. So not only is it a business expense, but also you get a discount on top of that. Now that sounds like a win-win, right? Where more money stays in your pocket, right? And while you're making money using that particular electronic device, right? So you can save money on electronics. You can also save money on vacation trips and everything else. Also, just to let you know, there's 2 levels of membership. There's a gold membership and a platinum, and I'll show you that here in a quick minute. But however, if you stay on platinum level for up to 12 months, you'll get a vacation worth $3,200, right? That's only if you stay on as an active member for 12 months, right? So here are just some of the things that you can save on, which is pretty sweet, right? And all of these, in some way or another, can be used for your personal use or for your business, right? So like I said a minute ago, if it's for business, not only are you going to get a discount on it, but it's also a write-off. Heck, this whole platform is a write-off because it is your business, right? It is an opportunity. It is something that you're going to be paying a monthly subscription for that can also be, calculated as a business expense. So the average annual savings per SHG family is $5,000 to $10,000. Can you imagine if you shaved off $500 of your grocery bill for 12 months, right? Times 12, that's $6,000 that you can be saving just on groceries alone if you can shave your grocery bill down by $500. And I just want to say there is a way that you can get $500 worth of grocery discounts, right? That's why I chose $500. That's sweet, right? So it's easy to join. Real people are having real savings. Here's just some other ones: vacations, car rentals, on car purchases. You can also create an income stream if you help businesses come on board to this platform so that they can save money. So anyway, that's just a quick overview of this. Let's jump over here to the saving tab. Welcome to our world of savings. Like I said, this is a savings membership site that you can save thousands of dollars for your household. You can, in shopping for furniture, electronics, and clothing, car insurance, travel, vacations, lower your bills. You'll be teamed up with a representative that will go to bat for you and help you and communicate with your, say, Verizon or your other with recurring bills. Let's say Verizon, your phone bills. That's like the highest one I could think of right now, on top of car insurance, because those are like most expensive things. They try to hit you for your phone, and they're always hitting you for that car insurance that you never use, right? They charge you so much for you never to use it, and when you use it, finally, they don't even want to pay it, right? But you'll have a representative that goes to bat for you to lower those bills, right? And also get your $1,000 platinum sign-on bonus and qualify for, like I said, 500 dining and shopping program, $500 discounts. So here's some other things, just going over real quick, that you can save on travel. Like I said, you can save on car insurance. You can save on business bills. You can save on webinars. They have different discount packages if you do things like that. Domain names with GoDaddy, you can get discounts. This is a membership site where, if you understand how membership sites work, it's a collective, right? Where they get discounts for you, you join them, and you can use all those discounts for yourself, which is sweet. I'll let you click the link in the description box below to see all that for yourself. Now, let's go to the opportunity side of this platform. Now, we know that you can save money up to 50% or more, right, on your household bills. But what about the making money, right? Keeping more money in your pocket, but also making money. Well, this second part of this platform is a way that you can start earning. It's a business opportunity. And here's a video that goes over your compensation plan. I just want to show you a quick graph of what it is. Like I said, there's two forms of membership. There's the gold and the platinum. The gold is $20 a month. The platinum is $100 a month. Now, the way that works is, let's jump over here to compensation details. The way that works is you have different levels, right? And this just tells you about how you can get 100% fast start commissions real quick. Your first level, you'll make 50. When you bring somebody in, after you fill up your first level, you'll get 10, 5 from there on out. The next, if you bring in gold members, your first level, you'll make $10 on that, your first top 3. Anybody you bring in on your second level, you make $2. And then after the second level, you'll make $1. So you'll make those commissions there. Those are fast start qualifications. Now, that's not talking about the 25% monthly residual commissions you'll get for your personal referrals. Basically, if you bring in 4, you refer 4, you're free. Whether it's platinum or gold, 25% of 100 is 25, 4 referrals at 25. That's your monthly fee. It works the same way with your gold membership as well, because your membership is only $20 a month. Do the math. You need 4 at 5, and that's $20 a month. There's also an 80% monthly residual 3x12 matrix, and I'll make another video going over that in more detail, right? This just talks about how you get paid monthly. You'll earn $5 a month for each platinum member in your matrix, and you'll earn $1 per month for each gold member in your matrix, right? You can have 3 total members on your first level, 9 on the second, and so on multiples of 3, all the way down 12 levels. You also have spillover, so that what do you call it? That allows for team growth, right? If I already have 3 on my top level, anybody else I bring in falls under my team, and you can place them as well. So you build your team out, right? So here's an example of that. As far as platinum, if you have this matrix here, You see how this works. Multiples of 5, multiples of 2, multiples of 3 here. And this is your potential, right? If you filled all 12 levels, which is awesome. But I'll leave a link in the description box below. The last thing I wanted to show you is what you get for free for partnering with me. Now, you know that it's always a problem with growing a team, especially if you don't know how to grow a team or how to recruit. Well, what makes it simple is this platform, my team, the team that I've joined, they have their own marketing system, but not only that, they have their own training platform. And that's what I want to show you, right? So here's the free funnel and team site that you'll get access to once you partner with me in the Savings Highway Global platform. Now, like I said, there's 2 levels you can participate in. You either have your $20 base level, which is called the gold, and then you have the $100 level, which is called the platinum, right? Now, you can always upgrade. If you come in at the 20, you can always upgrade to the platinum, right? At any time, right? And vice versa, right? So what I want to show you is, I want to show you the team training area, which is sweet, it does all the work for you. And one thing about this platform, and I will tell you this, is, I'll just show you real quick. Here's one of the capture pages, right? Let me tell you. So part of my team, what they do is, all you have to do is drive traffic to this page here. You will get all the emails done for you, right? So all you do is drive traffic to this site, not cheap rinky-dink traffic, but some quality traffic. And then our team will do the follow-up for you, right? Where they will send out the emails with your link. All you have to do is work on sharing the opportunity and saving money. Saving money and sharing the opportunity. How easy can that get, right? So your success is linked definitely to our success, right? Because we're team building and we're helping each other, right? Be successful in this money saving, money earning opportunity. So anyway, so let's jump down to here and let's take a quick sneak peek at the team training site. And this site is what you'll be able to give to those who join you an opportunity. So not only do you not have to do any selling or telling because the website does that, but also you don't have to worry about the training because that's all done for you. All you have to do is share and save, right? So it's that simple. Share and save and earn, of course. So you have your free funnel video overview. You have your get started overview here, here, and here. They show you the capture pages, the high converting capture pages, and you even have a webinar style capture page, and I'll show you that right here, right? It works the same way. You click here and they enter their email address, and then our team does all the follow up for you. So you just have to share and earn, like I said. So then the rest of it, you have the SHG basics, watch this video, share your story. Here's the training site, getting paid from Savings Highway Global. Join our team. You also get access to our private Facebook. I'll give you a quick sneak peek of that. And our private Facebook group is right. My computer's running slow because I got all these windows. Here it is. This is our private Facebook group that you'll have access to. And as you can see, there's trainings on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. We have Mindset Monday, work on yourself. Teachable Tuesday, working on yourself. And Focus Friday, working on yourself. And the motto pretty much of the team is you work on yourself, share or drive traffic, and you follow up. Two of those are already taken care of for you, right? All you got to do is work on yourself and share it, and the follow-up is already done, and the training is already done with the help of this group and the help of the free automated funnel, right? And again, let me show you real quick the funnel. Here is the sales page of that funnel. Here's the capture page, high converting. Here's the actual presentation page that shows you that you can do this in 3 simple steps. And I did say you get this for free. So you get it for free. You don't have to come up with your own marketing system. You don't have to have your own autoresponder. You just have to be able to share this opportunity and save money, right? Which is amazing. I like it, and I like it a lot. So anyway, so where is, I done lost where I was here. Shoot, that's that funnel. Oh, here, let me go back. That's where I was, my bad. So again, That's some of the things you'll get. That's the sales pages. You'll also have an opportunity to partake in the rotator, which you submit your link. They help get you traffic, right? You join the team rotator. Don't be dependent on a rotator. You're not going to get 1,000,001 clicks or opt-ins. It's just something additional to what you're already going to be doing to promote your offer. Here's other previous team trainings that they have that you have access to, which more can be found on the Facebook. They train, they have wake-up calls daily, right? And here's more mindset training and motivation. So anyway, here's a sneak peek of the back office. Here's my back office, and I just want to show you. You get a little bit of this. This is like the command center here. Access your website, more training videos, live webinars, access to the Facebook group, the YouTube channels, compensation plan. You can view your team. Here you go. You click here for your travel savings. Here's an additional link to your savings portal. Save on your healthcare and healthcare for businesses. So you can recommend, like say your company, wherever you work at, you can hook up with a representative, and a representative can work for you to lower your company's health expenses, right? And you can make a commission off of that as well. So here are some other things that only platinum members have. They can, like I said, they can work for you to lower your bills. Here's your Mentors Club, Zoom savings, additional savings platforms here. Here's a marketing system. Here's how you can get traffic from the back office. You can also get domains and web hostings, okay? So this is just a sneak peek. There's a lot more here, but I want to keep this video short. It's already been long enough. But anyway, that is a quick overview of the Savings Highway Global. And as you can see, this is a portal that we can use to access other savings, but I'll save that for a different time. But anyway, that's all that I got. If you're interested of saving up to 50% on your already paying bills that you're having, your household bills, and you want to also earn at the same time, click the link below. If you have any questions, drop them in the link in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for hanging out. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.